Tapos ako yung food trip.
Hindi na buglot ang mingming kasi busog
Busog
na
na
siya.
siya. Ubos na.
Bibilan pa ako ng dessert ng pogi.
Dessert pa, dessert. Later. What's up guys? Dito tayo ngayon sa
Lasa.
Lasa Filipino Barbecue and roast by Lola.
Lol.
Yeah. So
What
I'm
I
so
don't
happy
love
right
to.
now because I bought my
My what?
my dream camera.
Your first
First
dream
dream
camera.
camera, yeah. This is
So-
Action 5 Pro. Next year will be the Action 360. Yeah, and the next year is what do you
What?
call that? What do you call that shit?
Drone. You want drone
Yeah,
also?
yeah. My girlfriend will teach me how to use drone because she's a pilot, she's a
I'm a
chef,
drone pilot.
pilot, chef, barista, safety
Technician.
technician, and other shit. She's so talented and skilled.
I'm a multi-skilled
Yeah,
girlfriend.
multi-skilled. Yeah. Alright, thank you. Cut that shit. Lakad-lakad ulit kami.
Nagpapapayot daw kami sabi ng pogi.
Subusog siya.
No, I don't have power.
Yeah, lalakad kami, hanap kami ng trip ngayon. Kasi marami kaming oras. Diba? So, dito na kami sa SD. So, magtatabay muna. Chillin muna kami rin. So, kami dalawa.
Dessert ka ng mingming.
Pauwi na kami. Galing kami na Starbucks. Medyo
Huwag kami tumambay kasi wala kami ibang matampayan.
nakabusog-busog na rin. Umuulan to. Kita-kits lang sa bahay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.